If you are planning to move overseas at the end of summer or in early fall, now is the time to start getting organized. An international move is not the same as a local move. There are more steps: packing, paperwork, customs documents, shipping choices, storage decisions, and coordination at your destination. That may sound like a lot, but with the right plan, it becomes much easier to manage. Late summer and early fall can be a good time to move internationally. Families are finalizing school plans, professionals are preparing for new assignments, retirees may be planning a fresh start before the holiday season, and many people are trying to settle into a new home before the end of the year. The key is to start early. Your moving plan should match your shipment size, your destination, and your schedule. Some people ship most of their household goods by sea freight. Others use air freight for a smaller shipment of important items they want sooner. Some need professional packing, some need storage before their new home is ready, and some need help understanding what documents may be required before their belongings can clear customs. Here is a simple example. A family moving from the United States to Europe may send furniture, kitchen items, clothing, and personal belongings by sea. But they may choose to send a few essentials by air so they have what they need when they arrive. Another customer may be downsizing first. They may need storage in the United States before deciding what to ship overseas. Every move is different. That is why the best first step is not guessing. It is speaking with an international moving specialist. At SDC International Shipping, we recognize that every move is unique. We help individuals and families plan international household goods moves. From the first conversation to the final delivery, we guide you through each step. That way, your move feels more organized and easier to manage. We can help you understand your options, prepare for the process, and build a moving plan that fits your needs. If you are planning an international move this summer or early fall, contact SDC International Shipping today. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267.